Hi, Nick Houston here for Gotham Sound and Communications Live at NAB 2023 at the Ambient booth with Yannic. Yannic, how are you?
I'm fine, and thank you, Nick, for having us. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for being here. We're live, so if you have any questions for Yannic, please put them in the chat, and we'll get to them towards the end of the video. We both have boom poles, but yours is new and fancy. Tell us about yours.
It's new and fancy. We are here presenting the first prototype of the Slim Edition, as we call it, of our latest Quickpole series. I mean, the one that you have, the QP5, is very popular. People like it. Still, there were many people, especially feature film boom ops, they said, please make a 4-segment version of it, because they loved our old QP4140 so much. And yeah, here it is. Okay. I mean, it has obviously just 4 segments, resulting in a thinner diameter, so it's more convenient to hold it. Also, if fully extended, it's even more stiff and than the QP5. So this is it. We also worked and further improved on the locking mechanism. So if you're with less effort, just doing like that, and you're no twist at all, it's really super solid and holds well. And what we also did for the new version is to make the tip black. A little thing, but still now if you use it together with our black Quick Lock edition, you have no reflections of sunlight. So if you want to go all black, then you're fine to do
all
that.
All black everything. Okay.
Yeah.
And so that's called the QP5 Slim. And when is that expected to hit the stores?
It will be this fall when we ship this. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are almost done, and yeah.
Great. And do you know the approximate lengths that you're going to offer, or is it a?
Not yet, but there will be several length options. Also, the internally cable versions will be available. So everything from the QP5 series already, that will be integrated here, because it's basically the same material, it's same lightweight and stability as from the QP5, but as a 4-segment version.
Great. Well, yeah. I'm going to hold this. I also want to point out just some other Ambient products. We have the UMP. This is the UMP 3.
UMP3.
And the QWB. And representing France, the Sonella Cozy.
Yeah. And
this is a Sound Devices A20
It's a Sound Devices A20, yeah.
Great. So this is a very light wireless boom solution. Cool. All right. Great. Well, let's move on. I know you've got a lot of other things to show, but this...
Yeah.
Tell us about this.
This is the RF Scout. It's a co-development with our friend from Amsterdam, Roland Matthijssen. This is basically a device to doing a full range frequency scan, but the special thing is that it's via an Ethernet connection. It brings the information to the cloud. So this device is supposed to be placed on an event venue, on a theater, on a stadium or whatever, and broadcasting the live RF situation to the cloud. So you can give access to sound recordists and they log in, and then they can see wherever they are, how is the situation there, where you maybe shoot tomorrow. Yeah. So this is a nice little helper for those situations. Yeah.
We thought this would be cool to put in like a location scout's car, so you could time sync do an RF snapshot if maybe you weren't able to do a full tech scout. You could see what's going on at any
having
location.
A real map, like an RF situation map. Yeah.
We'll get Google on it right now. All right, and then last but not least, obviously. We talked about this last year. There, it was not released yet, but now it's there. It's the Lockit Plus. It's released and fully working, and being what we talked about last year, the flagship of our of the whole Lockit system. It also has the ability to doing a frequency scan where it is. There is a web interface where you can monitor and manage all other Lockit devices on set. What we've been working on in our Lockit environment is the menu. We improved the graphical menu of the Lockit, where you can have now more options. It's easier to operate. So we gave more power to the graphical menu, because people said they love that they can operate it right here, don't have an app to attach it and stuff like that. And so that's what we've been working on the timecode side. Great, fantastic. Kendra, do we have any questions for Yannic from the internet?
We do not.
Okay, fantastic. It means you were very, very clear.
Obviously, yes.
So I appreciate it. Well, Yannic, thanks so much for taking the time to spend with us. We'll see you tomorrow to talk about other things. And thank you for the boom pole. I'm really going to enjoy it.
Okay.
Stay tuned for more coverage from NAB. Sheps is up next.